What's up guys, back with another video. I got a steel braided front brake line for my Grom from HEL Performance. We're gonna swap it out and I'll show you how to do it and we'll see the difference after I put it on. Alright, so here is the brake line. I got the carbon fiber looking line. I'm pretty sure it's just like a transparent black line. And I got just polished fittings, and then I got their basic yellow and black logo tag here. So hopefully it matches up pretty good with the bike. They give you new banjo bolts and crush washers, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, first we're going to remove the headlight, get that out of the way to get more access to the brake line. Unbolt the headlight with the 4 bolts on the side. It'll give you access to the bolts that kind of hold the brake line down. There's one there, one on the lower triple, and then one last one that's on the fender. Now that you unbolted the 3 brackets that hold the brake line to the bike, you can go ahead and remove the banjo bolt, which is located right here on the front master. I usually like to start with the top, work my way down. Make sure you get lots of towels or something to cover, because it's going to drip a little bit of brake fluid, and brake fluid will destroy your plastics very quickly if you don't clean it up. Okay, so once you remove the stock brake line, then we can start putting the new brake line in there and getting it into place. We'll get the new hardware, the new banjo bolts, and the 2 crush washers. Okay, so we got the brake line running down. I put the bracket back on with the brake line going through it, right there. Okay, so we got the lower bracket put on. We got the new, the little plastic piece that the brake line comes with. We got it pushed in there, and we got it bolted up. All right, so next we'll get the other banjo bolt that is provided, along with the 2 crush washers. We'll do one on either side. Wrap it around the plastic piece. Locked up, go back and fully tighten the banjo bolts. So now that we got everything tightened, we got both banjo bolts, top and bottom, secured. The line all secured through all the brackets. We just have to bleed the brake next. I actually already did it. There's tons of videos on YouTube as well to show you how to bleed brakes, but I bought this vacuum bleeder off of Amazon. I think it was 30 bucks or something like that. And you just hook it up to an air compressor. You get the part that you put on your bleeder valve down here, and it makes it pretty easy to bleed the brakes. It only takes a couple minutes. Then you make sure that you have enough fluid in there. The bike's at an angle, so it's not at the top right now, but just bleed it and then you are good to go. You'll get some pressure.